First thing I've done is I took the foot bindings and moved them to the furthest hole out. So I only had to create the second set of holes for the inside bindings for the tandem. Then I marked it, center punched it. I used the Spade bit, which is 1 inch. This is what I used to fill it in with. These were modified. They had to be drilled out so that the screws can mount it at the second step. That point right there. I pilot drilled through. Then I went back with the Spade bit. Just enough to recess it. Then I did a clearance hole. That's when it's placed in there. Then I went with small stainless steel screws to hold it in place until I could fiberglass it. That's what it's mounted in there. I put painter's tape on the back so the threads weren't going to get glass on them. I put a small piece of fiberglass in before I put the fiberglass filler. That's after. Still needs to be sanded correctly. And that's the after effect. Everything lined up perfect.